The architectural sensibilities of the mid-century modern movement, which enjoyed its cultural zenith between the 1940s and the 1970s, are currently experiencing an extraordinarily vigorous resurgence, finding their most enchanting and precise expression within the framework of a diminutive vehicular residence. This compelling synthesis of two distinct eras, classic design fused with nomadic housing, yields a self-contained structure that is at once highly practical for contemporary living and profoundly reminiscent of a stylish and aspirational epic. The fundamental attractiveness of this particular style, defined by uncluttered geometric forms, subtly curved elements, and the thoughtful melding of internal and external environments, translates with remarkable grace and efficacy despite the spatial limitations inherent in a transportable abode. Viewed from the exterior, this dwelling frequently showcases an intentionally subdued roofline, which might be gently sloped or entirely level, complemented by substantial planes of transparent material, perhaps manifesting as panoramic windows that stretch from floor to ceiling or slender, high-set clerestory panes. The outward surface is typically embellished with genuine timber cladding, frequently using rich species like cedar or walnut paneling, which is often sharply contrasted against sections of bright white or understated neutral sidings. This fastidious selection of materials, coupled with a deliberate commitment to foundational geometric simplicity, guarantees that the compact structure projects an instantly recognizable and deeply refined profile, successfully elevating the tiny home far above the utilitarian appearance of a mere trailer and establishing it instead as a sophisticated, mobile architectural marvel. Crossing the threshold of one of these mid-century mobile homes immediately transports the occupant to a bygone era, a feat achieved by meticulous and intentional design choices that expertly leverage every available square inch. The governing principle of the interior decor hinges upon practically expansive visibility and an overall sense of lightness,